In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a drop shadow. A drop shadow is a simple effect that adds depth and separation, making text, logos, or objects stand out from the background. Whether you're polishing a thumbnail, designing a poster, or giving a photo element a subtle lift, this technique is quick, clean, and fully adjustable. Start by selecting the layer you want to add a shadow to. Look over at your Layers panel and click the exact layer that needs the effect. This could be a text layer, a shape, or a cutout image. Make sure the correct layer is highlighted so the shadow applies exactly where you intend. If your layer is locked, unlock it first so you can see the changes as you go. Next, head up to the top menu and choose Layer, then Layer Style, and then Drop Shadow. This opens the Layer Style dialog where you'll see a live preview of your changes. Keep an eye on your canvas as you adjust settings. The preview option helps you dial things in without guesswork. Now refine the look by adjusting distance, spread, size, and opacity. Distance controls how far the shadow sits from your object. A small distance creates a tight, grounded look, while a larger distance suggests a stronger light source and more separation. Spread determines how dense the shadow edge is. Low spread keeps the edges soft. Higher spread makes the boundary more solid and pronounced. Size adjusts the blur or softness of the shadow overall. Larger sizes produce a wide, feathered shadow. Smaller sizes keep it crisp and tight. Opacity changes how visible the shadow is. Lower opacity is great for subtle, realistic depth. Higher opacity makes the effect bolder and more graphic. Take a moment to balance these four together. For text, a modest distance, a gentle size, and medium opacity often look clean. For objects, you might increase size slightly to mimic natural falloff. You'll also notice options like angle and blend mode in the same dialog. While you don't need to change them, remember that angle influences the direction of the shadow, and multiply is a reliable blend for natural-looking results. When you're happy with the preview, click OK to apply. The shadow is added as a layer style, which means it's fully editable. If you want to tweak it later, just reopen the drop shadow settings from the same spot and adjust as needed. And that's it. Simple, flexible, and professional looking depth in just a few clicks.